If you are having your feet pain or your heels pain, like me having some heels pain, you can use a bottle filled with water and put in the freezer, and then the next day you just bring it out and then it become cold, and you just roll your feet with the cold ice. Roll it. Okay, roll it. My heels are having some pain after walking for quite a while. Standing and walking. Okay, this is one of the remedy. Yeah. So roll and roll. The other method is use a tennis ball. And then roll it. Okay, roll your heels. Okay, roll it. Roll your heels. So it's also a form of massage. Roll your heels, whichever part there is pain, or you can roll the whole feet. But okay, for me, I will concentrate on my heels. Roll it. So this can be done when you're working. Put just a tennis ball below your feet and then just roll. Okay. Roll. If you have a massager like this, you can use it to massage your feet, your heels. Okay, you need to massage it. Yes. So you can massage it for better blood circulation. Move around your feet. The side as well, behind the heels.